Hi all, welcome back to my channel, Allie Loves to Plan. Today we're going to be planning in our GM agenda for the week of December 14th using Happy Planner Christmas stickers as well as some additional stickers that I have, which are absolutely gorgeous. So if you'd like to see that, come plan with me. Right, so today we're going to be planning with these beautiful winter and Christmas sticker books for the week of December 14th. I can hardly believe it's already December 14th in our planner. This is last week, my birthday spread. Absolutely loved how it turned out, super functional. Let's go ahead and take out our pages for this week. Absolutely loving the front of the planner here. It's just so cute. This is my favorite part. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. And let's get to planning. Only 1 week till Christmas and we have so many pretty stickers to use and only one more week, but not a problem. We could use our stickers next year. Okay, so I have an idea for this spread of what it is that I want to do. I want to create kind of a scenery here on the bottom using some of the Santa Claus stickers, kind of like Santa getting ready for the holiday week next week for delivering of presents. There's a lot of really cute stickers here. I have this one, which I think is super cute with the door, so kind of Santa walking out the door and getting ready. And then I have these really cute ornaments that I used in one of my, I believe it was my classic last week. So we could hang some of those coming down, the scenery here on the bottom. And then we have some additional Christmas trees in this book that we could use. But if not, what I was thinking is I have these stickers here. These are really cute. I used these in one of the previous weeks for the plan with me. And I also have these, which are super cute. I mean, look at those stickers. They're just so pretty and I love the gold accent that they have. So I also have these that I can use and I'm thinking of combining this. So we could kind of, I really love this setup here, the Santa with the reindeer. So I'm thinking maybe I could have the Santa and the reindeer on this side and then the cute little Christmas tree on this side. And then the falling ornaments and then some deco in there. So I don't know yet, I just have this idea in my head. And also thinking maybe of putting these kind of in the background and then the main Christmas tree that is chosen here. We'll just see, we're kind of gonna go with it. It's kind of the idea I have in my head. Just so you know, these stickers are from Hobby Lobby that I bought separately. I saw them, it was all in their Christmas section, so I did get them on sale as well. So if you're interested, that's where I got these. First things I want to set down, of course, are going to be the important holidays that we have. Important events, not holidays. And I'm going to do that with some boxes. We do have, this is a new one. I do have the greens, which I think I'm gonna go with the traditional red and then green, or we could even do this lighter green. And we have this red ones. So I think those traditional colors, because I haven't done like a traditional color spread, will be good. So let's go ahead and put those down first. There we go. So that takes care of that, and now we're going to work on the scenery down here. So let's see. I had, like I said, this idea that I want to use these. I don't have very many ornaments, We have 2, 4, 6, we have 7. So we can kind of set them up either on one page or on both pages, overlapping. It's a good question. This one's the longest one, so this one would be good for Wednesday, since we don't have too much going on Wednesday. So let's just give it a shot, give it a try. I don't know how it's going to look, but I kind of want, no. Oh my goodness. Okay, save that one. Kind of want the ornaments hanging from the top and then the scenery with the trees down at the bottom. So let's see how the thought turns out. While I'm doing that, have you guys started doing any Christmas shopping? Any going out to the stores? I honestly have kind of avoided going to the stores. I still want this to be functional, so I don't want to put it smack in the middle on that side. So I'm going to move it kind of to the side here. That way it's still functional. And I think that works there. And these are shorter, so I think they should stay above the box. And if they go down a little bit, I think they will be okay. So we have this one. I want to bring, and it's a circle. So I'm going to do this one next to it on the other side. And this one doesn't have the hanging string, but I think we could still do the illusion and hang it here as if it's hanging from the top. And we're going to put that one right in the middle there. And I think that will work. And then let's see, we don't want to do all circles on this side either, so we do have to take into account that. We can do a circle here. I do this one because it can hang down a little, and then that would leave 2 circles plus like a bell and this one for this side. So I think that would be fine, and they're different colors. We can't use that one because we have that color over here. We have this color over here. So that just leaves these 3. And I think this one would be cute for this side. Because it'll hang down further than this one. And I think I'm gonna put it kind of to the side here a little bit, just so that it's not all the way in the center and taking up space, because this one goes a little bit lower, if you could see that. And so if I put it in the middle, it would take up everything, but if we put it again kind of to the side, I think it'll be fine. So let's just move it a little bit to this side so that it doesn't take up all of this space, and we'll still have room to write. And I just like to make sure the stickers go all the way down when they're see-through, when they're clear. Because I don't know about you, but you can still see the sticker like that. There we go, and that's cute. That looks really cute already just with the top part. So now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're just gonna make sure that our colors are kind of going in a different direction. And I think I'm gonna start with this one because this is a longer one, and I think it'll be good here. Because if I put it here, it'll be too much on that side, and I want the checklist for Thursday because I do need that there. So I think we're gonna put it to the side. So yeah, as I was saying, I haven't been going out to the stores. I've been avoiding it as much as I can, and instead I've been doing some online ordering and online shopping for this year. There we go. And then what we're gonna do, I think I have a highlighter, a Tombow, and make little circles like this. Give me just a second. Found them. So I have both of these, so this is gonna help with this green, I think. This is P881 and this is P195. So with this one, on this side, we're just going to do little circles going up. There we go. And that looks great. We just need to punch that out, but that's not a problem. So now we have the top part. That looks so pretty already. But now let's work on our scenery idea for the bottom part. I need, let's see, where's that page where we finished all of the ornaments? So I need to lay it out, and I don't have any wax paper on me. So when I don't have wax paper, I like to use, we could use this one. I like to use a sheet of paper, and you just take the stickers that you've already used. You could just peel this part off, and it serves the same purpose as the wax paper. I'm gonna see how it would look, what I'm thinking in my head. So I'm thinking the trees. I want this Santa here, and the sticker paper. It's nice and thick. So I'm thinking I want the Santa standing around with the reindeer, looking at the list for next week. Okay, I like that. Now the question is, do I want that here? Or am I gonna want that over here? And we have the word believe here. If I put it here, I feel like this is gonna be too much because we have 4 ornaments up there. So I think we could balance it out with this side here, and then we put believe with some decoration, some more Santa and some presents. So let's go ahead and do that. I think that's gonna work. Okay, so there we go. We have Santa reviewing the list. What else do we have that we could use here? We could put some presents around the Christmas trees. I think that looks super cute. Santa looking over the list, the reindeer, the presents, getting everything ready. And now, I think we're ready for our word. Where to go? Is it in this one? I'm gonna put believe. Joy. Here it is. We're gonna use this one for this side. There we go, like that. And then we have this one we can use over here to tie in the Christmas trees from this side. I'm liking that idea. So we're gonna put this one here. Like that. So let's go ahead and put this one down because it's staying. I'm trying to think if I want that there or if I could just, we can just bring this tree over here or even down here. I like it more right here. So we're gonna need to lift these up so that I can put it right there. Let's see if I could do that. Cute, I like that. And now I do want something here, but maybe just some berries or something. I have this one. This one's really cute. Okay, I think that's cute. Now I need to bring some deco to our boxes because they look very lonely. So I'm thinking we're just going to accent with some presents in some of these spaces here. And that'll bring in some of this into this area. Okay, so I went ahead and added some of these snowflakes here to the top, and then I added another little Santa here. I thought that was cute. He's reviewing the letters, still going with our theme. And I think it looks super cute like that. I was going to add some more snowflakes, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I think it looks really, really cute like that for now. So let's put it back in our planner. All right, now we can put them back in our planner. And there you have it. This is my spread for the week of December 14th through the 20th, the week before Christmas. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye!